dami ng projects na nire-reject na or something, you will ask yourself that is also pero hindi, it's really not like that. Kasi every role is fit for the perfect person to play that role. So if it's really not for you, then it's not for you, and that's okay.
Pero yun nga.
Dito, bali, kamusta na yung BFF time? Tuloy ba kayo? Or parang wala na yung group?
Unfortunately, parang wala na po eh. I really had a good time with the BFF. Diyan ko naman po na showcase yung dancing, yung singing as well.
Pero do you still have communication? Nakikita-kita pa ba kayo?
Yes po. We see each other every now and then. We talk every now and then. But of course, it's not like before. Syempre, we're all very busy. Pero the connection is still there naman. And we're all still
Ikaw ba
friends.
personally, you want to have a love team? Or ikaw personally, gusto mong solo?
Affect naman yung trabaho ko pag sinabi ko yung totoo. Pero,
Hindi, your choice. Yung choice mo.
Let's be truthful here. I really don't mind going solo. Oh, I feel shy today. But I also don't mind having a love team as well. If that's what management thinks is best for me and my career, then I will gladly accept it. I will really do my best to work with that love team.
Yung mga kasabay mo, sila Loisa, di ba may mga kanya-kanya ng love team.
Yes,
May inggit factor ba on your part na parang, oy, buti pa sila, may mga kanya-kanya naka-establish na, may ganun ba?
Valentine's Day. Actually, sa inggit, no. There's not a drop of jealousy in my blood at all. I'm really not a jealous person. I'm more of a positive person. I will be happy for your success with the love team and without it as well. So yun. Saka I'm really focusing on myself as well. I mean, the only competition here is myself. I want to be better than I was yesterday.